Finger off the trigger. Get down. Get down like you mean it. Let's go. You ain't gonna hurt the gun.
This isn't as easy as it looks.
Finish the box. 4 shots. Go. The
You
box.
look pretty funny too, you know.
Okay.
I seen it on the video.
You got them look at my ass jeans too.
Go.
Oh my God.
Go. Go. Go.
That's it.
Okay, what did I tell you to do? Reload.
Yeah.
Dump it. Throw it off the side.
Bullets to the front.
And
Okay.
then pull it back, right?
Yep. Now what?
Pull it back.
No.
What?
Push the button on
Your
the
side button. Charging handle.
No, that's the
And then pull it back.
charging hand.
No. There's
Go.
one in the chamber, Tay.
Go,
Come on.
Go, go.
Shoot the box. Today.
I'm gonna see the box.
Okay,
Okay.
well.
Well, you get the same ones,
Okay.
huh?
Hold on.
Well, no, they're a
Hold
little
on.
different.
Hold on.
What?
Bring it closer. Bring you. No, listen to me. If you get your elbow, there you go, higher. Can you see it now?
Yeah.
Hit the grass.
Whoa, that was
Shoot high.
low.
There you go.
There you go.
Down a little
To
bit.
your right and higher. Shoot the plastic steel target. The yellow steel target. To your right and up. There you go. There you go.
Yeah.
Faster. Back to the box.
There you
That's
go.
it.
Okay, dump your mag. Safety on. Keep my silencer out of dirt. Watch your muzzle and get up.
Yep.